Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keep stopping on Capcut. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of keep stopping on Capcut, you should just go to settings. In the first, you can go to apps and you can click on Capcut. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can go to Play Store, you can search about Capcut, and you can update your app to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.